Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about helping you do your crafting and mixed media on a low budget. I promised to make a video tutorial of my Christmas wreath. I got sick and everything turned different than the plan. You can watch the tutorial right now, and I also will announce the winner somewhere in this video for the Christmas on a Dime YouTube Hop 2018. Thank you so much everyone for watching our hop, for subscribing to all the channels, for commenting with sweet comments. I haven't got back to you because I was sick, but I will. But I wanted to thank you for all the support. And of course we hope to see you back next year. So I started out with one scrapbook paper, a star die set that had different sizes stars in it, paper, a star die set that had different sizes stars in it. I used a piece of cardboard, recycled cardboard. It came from something we bought at IKEA. And I cut out all these stars with my dies. And then I started decorating some of the stars. And I also peel off the top layer of the cardboard on some of my stars. On other stars I do some decoration with some wall filler and a stencil, and then dumping on some glitter. I also do that same thing with some of the scrapbook paper stars, and then I use the cardboard again to make the base. So I'm using something round and then I'm sketching the outline, and after that I'm cutting out with an X-Acto knife. It doesn't have to be perfect. You won't see anything of it, it's on the back, so it doesn't matter. And then I'm getting all my stars out and I start layering them onto my base. Some of the stars I inked the edges, and then I just started to build up. Some stars I wanted to have higher. I doubled two pieces of scraps of the cardboard box and put that under the stars that I wanted to pop up. I also cut out some paper stars, and I used old music note paper and a piece of jeans where I also cut out stars. For the winner of my Christmas on a Dime, it was very easy. I asked people to send me an email, and only 12 people sent me a comment by email. So I had 12 people in my drawing. One fell out because she was not subscribed to me anymore. So the other ones were in the drawing, and my winner is, drum roll, This and That with Michelle. Congratulations, Michelle. If you watch this video, please leave me a comment that I know that you have seen it and know that you are my winner, and then I will send you your package. So again, thank you so much everyone for watching. Michelle, congratulations for being my winner. See you back with more low budget mixed media and crafting videos. Bye bye everybody.